There are several ways to make new content to where you don't have to really design anything on your own. I want to show you, encourage you to use the templates that they've already made for you. So if I go to one of my pages that came with my template site, edit with Elementor, and if I want to make some new sections in this page, let's say I want a new section between these two. First thing I can do is go to this folder here, and if I go to blocks, you'll see that there's all of these templates here. Some of them aren't free, you need Elementor Pro for them, but a lot of these are free. So take a look at these blocks and you can just stick them right in your page. Let's just insert that. Okay, and then you'd go ahead and adjust the colors to what you want to fit your theme. Another thing you can do is go back here and go to some of the free pages. And some of these are pro, so you can't use them, but if you browse this one here and say you just want one or two sections from this page, say like this thing at the bottom, I'm going to insert the entire page. And now I have the whole page inserted into my page, so I just got to get rid of those. Maybe I like that purple thing, so I'm just going to keep that purple thing. And all I have to do is change the text, change the fonts, because the fonts might not match. So go ahead and change the fonts to default under style. See, you can see that the family's selected. If you change it to default, then it'll pull from your customizer settings. But it just happened to be the exact one that was selected for my customizer settings, so it didn't change. So that's the second way to insert content without doing anything. The third way is to copy this entire page. Like if you have a page, a previous page that you just really like the layout and you want to duplicate it and then make some adjustments on the new one, you would save as a template. That's going to save the entire page. Just call it whatever. And now underneath your templates you have that whole page. So once you get to your second page, and say you just created a new page, and then you would go to your folders here, My Templates, and you're just going to insert the whole page. Likewise, if you just want to save a section, one of these blue boxes, for another page, say this is your gallery, we are going to just save this section by right clicking, save as template, and then this is that section gallery. Save that to my library, and now when I get to my new page and I'm like, oh, I really want that gallery, I go to my folder, My Templates, go to that, insert it. And that's going to just duplicate those sections. Obviously in this one I could have just, right clicked, duplicate, because I'm on the same page, but you can't do that to take it to another page. You got to save it to your library, to your templates. Lastly, don't forget about the old-fashioned way of creating a section manually. You just hit the plus, say you want a 3 column. I want to show you some of these widgets. The image box is often used. Put the image here. Another one is a lot of these things you can just play around with, drag them into your testimonial, and we'll do like a 2 column by duplicating this. Put a photo in here. drag an image in. Next, I wanted to show you the Google Maps, on your contact page. So this would go ahead and stick in your address. And that's where you would put that on your contact page. So I mean, sticking with the templates is nice because you don't have to adjust any of the padding and the margins and stuff. But if you want to put in some of your own blocks, then you just go ahead and do it manually.